Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission for many purchases. Looks like today we're doing number 173. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got a 7 here and a 1 here, so this is our 3. 1 here, so 7, 1. For this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got 6 and 7 here, so this is our 1, but I don't see any other help. So 6, 7, 6, 7. If we look at this column, we're only missing a 1. For this row, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this row, we're missing 3 and 5. And we've got that 5 here, so 3, 5. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got 5 and 9 here, so this is our 1. That 5 makes this our 9, 5. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this row now, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got that 5 here, so 7, 5. For this box, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got 3 covering here and a 3 covering here, so our 3 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 7, 9, 7, 9. For this box, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got 4 and 8 here, so this is our 9. 4 here, so 8, 4. For this column now, we're missing 7 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 7, 9. Same for this column, and no help. So 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 1 and 9, and I don't see any help. Is that right? We may have a mistake here. For this box, we're missing 1, 6, 7, and 9. 6 can't be here or here. Oh, we've got a 9 here. So we're missing 6 and 7 for this column. And we've got a 6 here, so this is 7, 6. That 7 makes this 9, 7. So now we're back to missing 1 and 9 here. And I don't see any help, so 1, 9, 1, 9. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got 2 and 4 here, so this is our 9. 4 here, so 2, 4. For this row now, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got a 5 covering this box and a 5 covering this box, so our 5 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 6, 7, 6, 7. For this column, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this column, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9, 8. That 9 makes this our 1, 9. For this bottom row now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. That 6 makes this our 7, 6, 7, 6. And to finish out this box now, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7 and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.